Set to go. I'll see you out there. I probably should stretch, I'm not gonna lie.
Well, I think stretching is what you
You fucking stretched this morning, you loser. Yeah. Don't tell me not to stretch.
do such things.
Oh, it's cold. No way you wearing booties still.
Yeah, bro,
Get the booties out of here, bro.
Cold, bro.
Get the booties out. This guy did not want to work for off Japs. He's driving away. Fucking doesn't know what's up. Doesn't know what he's missing out.
World-class jobs just ain't good enough for me.
Class Japs ain't good enough for no one.
I'm used to surfing pipeline actually, so world-class jobs ain't good enough.
And then someone like coming from fucking Indo or Hawaii to here. Like, what the fuck is this?
Kill himself. It's cold shit.
Cold.
Go from crystal clear 6-foot reef breaks in Hawaii, water temperature 32 degrees, to dog shit 5-foot freezing cold Japs with no banks to ever exist in the whole world.
Sorry, fellas. Happens to the best of us.
Sure, Connor?
What?
Let's do fun, just wake it. Jap session is a big quick nose.
Yeah, bro. It's killing me.
I always have a bit of a block nose though, so
It's killing me, bro.
you know what we're about to do. Bitch with this fancy GoPro. Hero 12. Hero 12 my fucking ball sack. Hero 9 coming through, bro. Hero 9 do the trick.
Straight out, you reckon, Liam? Yeah. Fuck, that's heavy.
That's pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie.
It's fucking picked up, I reckon. Oh, fuck off. Fuck me. Jesus. The fuck was that? Where's my fucking wetsuit undone? Water just came straight down my fucking neck. This one you like, cheeky? Did not get barreled. Oh, he's on. No way. Fuck, that would have been disastrous. Not this one. On the fucking rail on that one, eh? Nosedive. You live and you learn. Oh, we're on the fucking inside now. Oh, I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Something to start. I'll take it. Yeah, right. Fucking drop. Oh fuck. be one more wave to film, I reckon. If I can actually fucking get on one, hey? Bit wishy-washy. Now we're in fucking ankle deep water and another. According to the GoPro, 12% is flat, so my last wave, which was my only good wave, I didn't get on film, so I'm fucking stoked about that one.